Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Now in today's tutorial, we are going to look at how we make a support ticket to the admin team. As we know that we can be having any problem, and the only way to solve that problem is to contact the administration of the site and see how that problem can be overcome. So that's what we are going to look at today. So as you can see, I've logged into my account. This is my name, my username. These are my balances so far. I have $4 in the repurchase. I just bought packs a few hours ago. This is my cash balance. And so what we do, we go to, besides logout, go to these three dashes here, we click on them. It brings this down menu: news, FAQ, frequent payouts, support, and testimonials. So we are interested in the support, so we click on support. It opens this page. So far, these are the support tickets I've sent to the admin team, and let us look at how we create a new one. So there is add new here. We create on new. It opens this page. There is category. Under category, we have general and technical. I think this one doesn't matter so much, so I prefer leaving it in general. Then, or if you have some issues like maybe two-factor authentications, IP address issues, there are some people who lock their accounts to read only one IHO. Maybe you can choose technical, but I've so far been using general. So you type in the subject here. Maybe locked out my account. That's the subject. Then you type in the message. Write in anything here. I've been locked out of my account due to such and such a reason, all over, blah 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 blah. Anything that, any issue that you want to tell the admin, you just type in there. Then after, you put the captcha. Maybe let us type in something here and we see. Unlocked account and I can't access it. This my issue and restore my account. But you enter the captcha here, this code, you enter it here. It is U0. Now in case there is something that you want to attach here, maybe like a screenshot, you can attach it there. You just click browse. Maybe you took a screenshot of, let me take a screenshot of this. I've taken a screenshot. I'll go to browse. I don't know where it is. Let me see. It is in screenshots here. It is here. You attach it. Now I've attached it. It doesn't show that I've attached it, but it is already there. I go to submit. I first verify if everything here is okay. In case it's okay, there's nothing I've missed out, I submit the ticket. The ticket has been added successfully. Now, how do I see my ticket, where it has gone, whether it has gone? or how it appears, I just go back to support, and my ticket is here. It is always at the top. This is the ticket. If you click on action here, there is close ticket and edit ticket. If it is showing close ticket, it means that the ticket is open. And if I want to close it, I just click on close. Let me see on this other one down here. This action, this one is also open. I just sent a ticket to the admin. This one is closed. As you can see, it is showing open ticket. Now, if I want to reopen this case, I just click on open ticket. It will reopen the ticket again. So my ticket that I've just sent, it is showing open. That's why it is showing here close ticket in case I want to close it. So how do I see my contents? You just click here and it opens. These are the details: the creator, the general, the ticket, even this is the subject. Now, status, it is showing open. It is showing open. And this is the body of the ticket, as you can see here. Message from the person, and it is showing the message here, and the attachment is also here. As you can see, I attached the screenshot. It is showing here. Now, there is also, how do you see that whether the administration has seen your ticket or has replied to your ticket? Remember, when you send a ticket, the admin team sends you a message on your email. And when they answer the ticket, they also send you a message on your email that your ticket has been answered, and they instruct you to log in into your account and check the ticket. I'm going to use a previous example of a ticket and show you how it appears. I go back, let me go back to support. These are the tickets. Let me use this one. This ticket was closed. I just want to show you where it appears, how the administration has replied. So the ticket started from down here. Even it had an attachment. The administration replied to it. As you can see, he wrote, "We have answered his ticket and fixed his problem." So he has answered. Now we are going to close the ticket. Because I opened the other ticket, it was for illustration purposes. So I'm going to close it and we see how it goes about. Go back to ticket, go to support. This is the ticket that we want to close. We go to action here and we click on close ticket. The ticket is closed and it will disappear. It has disappeared from here. We have closed it. So that is how we open a ticket. It is how we open a ticket. And I've also showed you how the administration replies to the tickets and how you can close the ticket. In case you've opened a ticket by mistake, you can always close it so that you don't bother them. So that's all we have for today. Maybe we shall see what we have in another tutorial. Thanks guys.